Hello and welcome to the very first episode of Vinyl TT. Today I'm going to show you how to categorise and clean your brand new albums like I'm about to with System of a Down, like I just showed you. Enjoy everyone. This is a product that I clean on my vinyl with. It's called the Spin Clean Record Washer Mark II. So I believe it was made in the 70s by a company, and obviously the design's just been sold to a new company to be used. When you buy it, it comes with the actual package, 2 microfiber cloths, so this is one of them, you get a second one as well. These 2 rollers, which you can adjust for different sizes of vinyl albums that you're cleaning, which is handy, and 2 of these felt pads that actually do the cleaning. And you can either purchase separately or bigger bottles, the Spin Clean actual fluid. So what is required is you fill up to the line inside, you can see it here, up to distilled water there, and you require 3 capfuls of these. So 1, and you pour it straight over the cleaning pads. It goes in like so. Cool. Grab m.A.A.d to be clean, which is System of a Down's album. Pop it in like so. You just go 3 times in each direction. So, very slow process. Now that's been cleaned, I usually just let it air dry for a second. As you see, once I left it out, you can see any excess running off down the bottom there. Just tap it, and I usually just place it back in just to air dry. You can use a dishwasher rack or a dish drying rack if you prefer as well. After the excess water has drained off, I just give my cloth, so I've got the second one laying down to protect the actual vinyl from my mouse pad, which won't affect it, but it's just keep the dust off. I give them both a good shake first, just to get any dust that might have built up off on them. And I go in a counterclockwise direction. I don't scrub straight out against the grooves, I go with the grooves in the same direction that a stylus would travel. And any sort of dust that doesn't come off will probably most likely come off the carbon fibre brush once I put it on the platter and start spinning it. So that's just that side done. Flip it over. Again, just give the cloth a quick shake, shake it down, and just nice and gently in a counterclockwise direction. Now the good thing about the Spin Clean is that those pads will only go up to the run out groove, which will prevent your label from getting wet. But even if your label does get wet, they're quite water resistant. They won't destroy you after being touched by water once, but it's good to know that they thought about that when they were designing it. Alright, that looks pretty clean, not getting any cleaner. Time to put on the platter and just listen how much surface noise has been reduced from the since it came from factory, because it does come in paper sleeves. I use aftermarket anti-static sleeves, which are much better. Now before I'm going to put anything on the platter, I'm going to give it a quick clean as well, because you never know what's gathered. I usually have my lid always closed, but by the time it's been open, just give it a quick clean with a microfiber cloth. Alright, that's nice and clean. I'll grab your vinyl now. Turn your turntable off. Turntable's off. Let's run down the speed. Placing the vinyl on. Run up to speed. There we go, up to speed. Place on gently, you don't want to run hard on the grooves. And just tilt the brush back as you take it off, like so. There's 2 other methods I've seen people use. I'll demonstrate them now for you. So some people do this, run it on, run it to the centre spindle to remove any static build up on the actual album. And some people will also do it like this. Take it off to the side, which I see all 3 methods working properly. I don't see any difference. choose what you will. And I always run I don't know what puck, I guess, a record weight, pop it on. Another step, clean the stylus. Always go from back to front, never go front to back, you'll ruin your needle. I shouldn't call it a needle, I should call it a stylus. Sounds good. Log into discogs.com. Click up top here. See collection. I'm already on collection though. As you can see, it stores all your albums. So here we are. Tells you minimum, medium, and max price that albums are sold for recently. Tells you what condition you have set your albums in. And to add one, you simply just go to the top here. System of a down. Mesmerize. Give it a search. Here it is. Right here. So the problem is, you have to scroll down. Mine's 2018 repressing. Here we go. Click here. So just check it. Another way to check it is using these numbers along the spine of the album cover. Simply add to collection. Let's just go mint, and mint, and that's it. Now if I go back to my collection, search it, there it is. Added 18 seconds ago. It's that simple.